crypto market is looking really strong right now. We're also going to go look at stocks and look at that in relationship. And full disclaimer here, I haven't looked at finance.yahoo.com today at all, except for this morning. So it's interesting to tell, but you're going to get my reaction when we go over there, because what's been happening is that for the last 36 hours or so, crypto's been up and the stocks have been down. This is in direct correlation to the CPI, Consumer Price Index report we got. As well as kind of the state of the union of uncertainty and doubt around inflation and all that other stuff. But that's what we're going to get into this video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, drop a like. I greatly appreciate you. Thank you for your support. Let's tell the algorithm that we are here. All right. So what we're going to do now is look, the overall market is looking, as I said, very, very strong right now, up 3+%. It's actually been up higher today. And you got Bitcoin and Ethereum in the last 24 hours doing really, really nicely. Okay. You got Bitcoin on the 24-hour has hit a high of 23,182. It's basically at that high right now, and doesn't really even feel like it's going to slow down, quite frankly. And you got Ethereum up 3.5%, BNB, XRP's up, Dogecoin's up 4.5%, Polygon up 4%, Solana 4%, so forth and so on. SHIB's up 5%. That's definitely on the news of Shibarium and the upcoming release there. I expect that to go higher when we get the Medium blog update later today at some point. But everything up. Tron's up, Avalanche is up. Everything's up really, really nicely. This is a really strong across the board rally, if you will. So let's take a look at it real quickly. Now, I have not refreshed this, so let's see what's going on here. So refreshing this. Okay, so the stock market has paired some of its losses. Earlier today, you saw before I refreshed it, was down about 200 plus points. Okay, and so the S&P and the Dow is falling a little bit, obviously related to the CPI report, as I mentioned, and related to kind of what the hawkish Fed expectations may be when the Fed meets again in mid-March. We'll cover that in another video. But crypto has definitely, been doing very, very well in the last 36 hours. So it feels like an overall kind of broader market rally in crypto, and less so on the stock side, And again, I'm only telling you this because I want you to understand that you need to always be aware that these things don't happen in a vacuum. Crypto doesn't happen in a vacuum by itself. There are these outside macro factors that impact it, right? What's going on in the stock market impacts it. The Federal Reserve impacts it. Inflation impacts it. Global macro events, Russia-Ukraine war, whatever it may be. All those kind of things do impact crypto in one way or the other. And that's what I do, is try to keep you updated with all that. That's my goal. Real simple, is to help you navigate crypto, keep you updated. As always, thanks for your support. I'll see you.